No, I cannot because she's going. I can't, ma'am.
Get out of my house!
And she's refusing to wait.
She hit this.
I paid rent.
Yeah, she hit him.
I need legal eviction. You need to bring me to court.
Bye-bye.
Yes, I've been here since March 1st and I paid rent.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
Guess what, bitch? My daddy hates you.
Okay, that's great.
That's why the
Here.
story.
Because I shut the light. I never touched you.
That's a fucking lie.
You fucking lying ass bitch. I'm going to my kitchen. I'm telling my dad you won't allow me in my kitchen.
Yeah? Hey.
I need to go to my kitchen.
Okay, come on.
This is what's happening.
Then I go to my goddamn refrigerator. She's holding me hostage out of my bedroom.
I'm not. It's my bedroom. See my stuff.
You're not ready over there.
You know, she just spit. Do you see this?
Stop.
What? Stop. No, you guys are getting
I need to get video evidence. She's gonna be arrested tonight.
Stop.
I'm doing this for my protection. I'm doing this for my protection.
Get up, go.
I'm doing this for my protection. We've been here since March 1st, 2019.
I need to get the fuck out.
No.
You and that lazy fuck.
July 1st. Lazy, I offered to do dishes, and what did you say? Don't touch them. She's shooting me with a BB gun. Move. She just shot at me with a BB gun.
Stop. Get on my face.
She just shot at me with a BB gun.
Get out of my face.
She could have. I'm pressing assault charges with a gun. She shot me. I have that on video.
And you know what? That's illegal.
No, it isn't. No, it is not.
You hit the wall.
It doesn't matter. She shot it in my direction.
No, she did not.
Yes, she did.
You cannot record
So
me.
bye. You guys are bye-bye.
No.
This is my house.
Legally evict us. We're leaving July 1st. We paid for the month of June. They're refusing.
I can use my internet.
They're refusing. I'm not using your internet.
That you have civic time.
I am not using your internet. Last month when we paid for it.
No,
And I paid for it this month. I want 179.80